Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chevy Equinox headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Safety is key, so always wear appropriate gloves and eye protection throughout the process. This ensures a safe and efficient bulb replacement. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly itself. You'll find two 10mm bolts on top of the headlight. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It's held in place by a few clips, so a firm but steady pull should release it. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. With the headlight assembly free, you can now access the bulb. Locate the specific bulb you need to replace, whether it's the low beam or high beam. Twist the bulb's base counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from its housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Almost done. Reconnect the main electrical connector to the headlight assembly, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting clips. You'll feel it seat securely. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier and tighten them snugly, but don't over-tighten. Test your new headlight to ensure it works correctly. For other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.